will talk about the international, like what are the bodies which are like giving you the relief or giving some guidelines related to the this handling the issues which are related to trade secret disputes. So obviously WIPO is there, WTO is there, then International Chamber of Commerce which is taking care, then United Nations Commission on International Trade Law. Okay, so this is a separate body which is like focused on that related to trade law. So obviously they can also help in the that guidelines and the regulation related to trade secret. Interpol is also involved. Now WIPO, if you see that obviously all IP related activities are like managed by WIPO. WIPO Arbitration and Mediation Center is there, and they can handle the disputes if it is at an international level. Then again, if you can just check that WTO also, they can handle that country to country if any disputes are there. So that WTO can take care based on that TRIPS compliance. Okay. Then International Chamber of Commerce